If you remember, I was actually confused which bike to buy. I was wondering between Himalayan or any other bike, but I was not decided on Dominar. But the day when I saw you were coming from office, it was night. That is when I decided to buy Dominar.
You said that you are buying a bike afterwards and you bought the blue bike, and then for many months we did not go even for a short ride. Then suddenly one day we said we'll go to Lepakshi anta next day morning ಎದ್ದು ಹೊರನಾಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ವಲ್ಲ. And ನೀವು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಹಾಸನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಟುಕ್ ನೈಲಾನ್ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ and you tied the luggage down. Amazing ride in the rain, I tell you. First ride and while coming back it was raining. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೈಲಾಗಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀ ರೋಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತದು?
Our rides did not stop there. Remember, we had one more partner, Ajay. We did go a ride with him. That was the only ride that we went with him. So we went to Udupi, to Sita Nadi, came back to Bhagavati at camp. I think you should remember Jimmy. I think Ajay should also remember Jimmy and the Tiger Call. That was unforgettable memory. The trips didn't stop there. We did a bit more. We went to the next trip, but in between we also bought a couple of things. We bought ATS2, the intercom communicated devices, and went and bought Via Truckla Pro. So that sorted me. The next trip that we had was to Mantralaya. Then we did go to Hampi. That was an amazing. Nathan, do you remember eating salad at the 45 degrees heat in Hampi? So it was worth remembering, don't you?
Hi everybody, my name is Adarsh from Biking Plus. How did I join Biking Plus? After I bought Dominar 400, I was usually riding alone. My wife really didn't like it. So she came to know one of her cousins had a Dominar 400 as well, and they had their own small group, and I was okay to be introduced to Samir. So that's how I met Samir Kasagod, and we still had not met face to face. I don't like big groups, so I was okay to be a part of a small group. So I really liked that concept. Okay, so I got to know other members in the group through WhatsApp. Then we had the first Biking Bliss group, at least my first Biking Bliss motorcycle tour to Ooty.
Hi guys, namaskara. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್. So yeah, I think 2017 January, so I started looking for a bike. Himalayan, Dominar. These were the two affordable and very reliable options. Of course, I had a lot of discussions with Samir. So, and he straight away convinced me to buy a Dominar. The main intention of buying it in Feb was to join the Ooty ride, which was coming up in March 2017. So, Ooty was a very good experience. And of course, that's where we all met, and things have just taken off from there. We went to Kunnur, myself, Adarsh and Samir. So that was a great experience once again. Just riding out in the night in the Ghat section and trying to communicate with the Sena. Of course, that was a really engaging and a very connecting experience.
My second trip with the group was to Goa. Okay, that's when I really got to know each and every member. So we just four of us, but then we got to know each other really well, and we started building a bond. Okay, so kind of brotherhood of sorts.
Goa trip, unforgettable, memorable trip. This time I thought I had prepared ourselves much better. Some better lights, fog lights, better luggage, great experience once again. We took the Kaiga power plant route. So of course we have those Goa videos also, so you can watch the videos on YouTube. Myself and Nitin, we even went on a world motorcycle day ride. So yeah, that was an unforgettable experience because it was like thousands of bikes, taking off from the heart of the city and in a special corridor, traffic-free corridor, prepared just for the bikes. And it was a cool morning, and we went there for a breakfast ride.
After that, life went on. We had to travel. Life went on, but the ride plans didn't stop. I did a lot of planning for a Ladakh trip. It went on. When I came back from all my official travels and other things, Ladakh happened. That was the most memorable part of my life. I mean, at least the riding life part of it. I went to Hanle. I visited all the Ladakh places, Pangong and other things. Shoik was the highlight. Shoik riverbed was the most off-roading that one can do, but I don't know now. But at that 2 years back, it was complete off-roading. That was the best. While coming back from Hanle, I was actually stuck on a mudslide. I did receive some help to take out my bike. That was also one of the most memorable part of it.
Good time. We went to Kudremukha, where when Samir was in Ladakh, so we three went to Kudremukha, Bhagavati Nature Camp. So we drove in Nitin's Scorpio, and that was again a beautiful drive because it was great weather, it was raining, beautiful place, and we just enjoyed that time. And one more thing was one experience there which I'll never forget is the flea bites, or I don't know, whatever bit us. All three of us, once we got back, so they had these bite marks and boil kind of thing on their feet. So it was terrible, to be honest.
I wanted all of us to go to Ladakh. We went to Nature's Cafe in Sadashnagar, started planning for Ladakh multiple times.
We started meeting regularly in cafes, especially Nature Cafe, because Samir had just come back from his solo trip to Ladakh, and we three were very excited to learn about his experience. So a lot of discussions happened, a lot of ideas were exchanged, and it was great time there.
ಲಡಾಖ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಕರ್ಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಕ್ಕಿಟ್ರು, ಅದೇನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದ್ರಿನಾಥ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ಡ್ ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಚಾರ್ಧಾಮ್ ಯಾತ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಯಮುನೋತ್ರಿ, ಗಂಗೋತ್ರಿ, ಬದ್ರಿನಾಥ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀ ಬದ್ರಿನಾಥ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೈನಿತಾಲು ಬದ್ರಿನಾಥ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕುರುಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ. Kedarnath was never in the picture, but after multiple itineraries, we finally got Kedarnath and we did the plan for Chardham Yatra also.
Like we went to Sakleshpur ಅಲ್ಲಿ motorcycle diaries, probably 10-20 kilometers just before the resort. We stopped for the rains, so it was started raining, and ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು just ಒಂದು small tea shop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. And ಅಲ್ಲಿ we were trying to wrap up our phones, wallets in a plastic cover, newspaper, all sorts of things. Reached that particular homestay, and getting to that homestay is of course we'll again never forget it. Driving through the pump house, trying to squeeze our bikes between the trees and the pump house, trying to guide each other, getting down the slopes. So unforgettable experience.
The planning for Uttarakhand trip. So I don't do much of planning, but then being in a group we had to plan because we are 4 of us. Most of the planning, heavyweight lifting was done by Nitin. So very meticulously planned. Okay. So so all I had to do is just follow the plan. So that's a big thing. That's a big plus being in this group.
The next big thing was definitely the UK trip, which we had been planning. I think credit goes to Nitin and Sameer and Adarsh. From the planning perspective, definitely I just carried along with them, to be honest.
And then so one of the a couple of things that really helped before planning the trip was having a right choice of luggage system. Okay, as I said, I already had a top box, shared top box, but I took a Rhinox saddlebags. First time we shipped our bikes to Delhi through VRL. First half day we were just trying to figure out how to pack our bikes, and then we got some help by the time it was lunchtime. So all the workers there were out for lunch, and we had to wait at least till 3 p.m. again, and wait for a couple of more hours until our bikes were all packed and locked within the cages.
Packing our bikes. Early, we all were planning, right, that we'll go ride our bike from here all the way till Delhi and then continue the ride. Somehow, I think it was Samir, I think it was you who gave that information that we can ship our bikes. So, our decided why ride all the way in that heat, like we are riding in peak summer. In fact, ship it up. But we decided we'll ship, and finally we ended up in VRL. The biggest mistake that we did was we did not carry water. We did not carry any kind of snack to eat there. So it was from morning 10 o'clock all the way till 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock before we could actually eat something.
So you remember Nitin and others, when we were shipping our bikes, me and Shreyas had asked you to get some food, and we got burgers and fries, and we had Coke also to drink. So that was one experience to learn, that somebody has to go to VRL, they have to carry their food and everything.
I think in terms of planning, yeah, the leaves were a bit tight. Somewhere I thought 3 weeks would be a little too much because my wife was expecting, and I wanted to keep at least some leave balance, make it a 2-week trip rather than a 3-week trip. So
Like Shreyas, we had to change the plans. We initially thought of riding for 3 weeks, but then that didn't progress well because of leaves and other jobs and other things. We had to change the plans. And then me and Shreyas went and met Nitin and others for Uttarakhand trip.
of course, we missed camping in Rishikesh, which Nitin and others had done. But yeah, so it was really good. And the next point was, I think, Devprayag. So that is where we all met. We 4 of us met each other, and we just exchanged, some kind of experiences, shared our experiences, and then we started our journey together. So the 4 riding to Fata village, just staying there, booking a helicopter for the Kedarnath ride, just going in the helicopter in patches, trying to get the Kedarnath darshan, stay in Badrinath, just eating probably authentic curry and veg noodles in Badrinath, and Nainital is again kind of a last leg of our trip. I still remember myself and others going around Nainital trying to get a room for the night, and finally we found a very good place, and we all 4 were able to end our trip kind of happily, just exchanging all the experiences, discussing the entire trip, and just relaxing in Nainital.
Again, the life went on. I had to travel out of India. By that time, Nitin had done Gadeco terrain, so I missed it. I was desperate to drive, and Nitin, we did another annual trip ride for Hornadu. So we are matching with our annual trips and annual darshanas for Hornadu.
So Konege, it came down to the last ride of 2020 as we all had planned earlier that we'll do Rameshwaram, because Chardham is not just limited to Uttarakhand. We have Dwarka, Puri and even Rameshwaram. So Rameshwaram, of course, we could not go as just the four of us, but we had new members also in our gang. We had Praveen, we had Guru. Sadly, Prasad could not join us, but yeah, this was a new extension of our group, and it was a quick 4-day ride in Namakkal, Kumbakonam, Srirangam, Rameshwaram. Yadav Gamandalle, we missed out on Tanjavur Brihadishwara temple. I think that those were the last few days of our motorcycling rides for the year 2019. It ended on a very nice note. It was a brilliant end to our riding year 2019.
We were planning for Spiti in 2020. Start of 2020 came Corona, and we had to stop everything. Now we are all in lockdown.
Stay
Home.
Stay
Safe.